A few moments later.
Wala pa.
Iya.
Diri sa ta. Ligo-ligo sa ta. Hello guys, good morning. Nabi diri sa Hinan Beach, diri sa Panglao, Bohol. Ba namong mga pamilya, anak sa akong igsoon, itong ikasal. Ami diri guys, nagligo-ligo sa ami diri, chill lang bilin nice kayo diri guys. So guys, naami diri karon ligo-ligo sa ami, liban ang mga bata chikiting guys oh. Akong mga tilam na mga pagumangkon guys oh. Kung anak ko lingaw na kay nag-dive guys oh. Daghan may mga Koreano halos guys nila diri guys. Hinan Beach Resort diri sa Panglao. Kisa diri okay ra sa diri Ay dako lang swimming pool, dagang swimming pool, dako pud kay ang beach oh. Pwede po diri mag-order pagkaon guys. Wala na. Okay na siya. Okay na siya. Wala na siya makuha. Pwede diri restaurant kayo. Bantayan na yung mga bata diri guys. Kaya dira bang pasuot ng life jacket. Ang bugoy ray kayo. Ito isa oh. Sige salom-salom mo. Kinira akong taon. Body. Uy! Matthew, Jacob. Ang ilang papa na American, si Tom. Ilang mama ako igsoon, si Ivy. Mga film. Natodolon gani ato sila. Dali, natodolon nato sila. Tanig. Sawa na ako. Mabalik ka. Hindi ka nagdulig-lig-lig. Jam. Ayaw diha. Di na ba kam... Hawa di. Ay. Ganahan. Han. Tanawin di jam. Gutom pa ka dong? Ay, di ni sila sabot og Bisaya in town. Hey, Jacob. You want to swim? You like? Okay.
Maybe do a handstand. What?
You wear this.
That's what they did.
Jacob.
No. Go down to your feet.
Jacob. Taas kay pilo ko. Oh. Jacob. Matthew, say hi to the subscribers, to the viewers. Hello guys, this is Matthew, my nephew. His mother is my sister, Ivy. Huh?
If I'm your nephew, then my mother would be your sister.
Yeah. What else? What else you want to know? So I'm your uncle. Matthew. Hey Matthew. Matthew is a serious type of a boy. Before last time I saw him, he is still like this. Now, how many years have passed? He is now. Can you stand up, Matthew? I want to show the viewers how tall you are now. Before, you are small, same like your brother Jacob. But now you are tall. See, Matthew, guys, is really serious type guy. See? Oh, no, he smiles a little. Ang dagway. Kiniluwat sa amahan. Kiniluwat sa inahan ang dagway. Pero liwat na siyang mami, daddy ug mata kay na maganti para bata pa. He wears the reading glasses. Does this reading glasses, Matthew? Or no? Reading glasses? No. What is the use for the... Jacob, don't play with your kuya. That's literally your kuya. He's older, way older than you are. Yeah, that's yours, but don't put it in the head of your big brother. This is your big brother Matthew. He's a shy type. See guys, No, he smile. Whenever I see shy type, he will smile. Why? I don't know. And he likes to eat Toblerone. Can I ask you a question?
What?
Okay, he said what means yes.
Jacob, do you want to slide?
Matthew, how old are you? 12. What is your grade?
Do you want to change?
7. You know guys, Matthew, before when he came here in the Philippines, he used to play with my son, Miggy.
Why?
But now, they are, I think,
Daddy,
he goes now because
Jacob,
12,
to swim.
next year he will be teenagers, 13. So, he is more now, not a playful type of kid. He's now a kid. Because before, he used to play with Miggy very much. But now, they play like sometimes. And even now, my son asked him to say, Kuya Matthew, we'll go for swimming. But Matthew refuses to go for a swim. Yeah. Because, what is the reason, Matthew? Why you don't want to go to swimming? Can you tell us the viewers? What? Can you make it louder?
Rules.
What is the rule, sis?
If you're not a guest, you can't swim in the pool.
But we are still the guests because even if we already check out, the rule says no guests.
Visitors.
No, we are still guests because we are.
We are not guests.
Actually,
Daddy, oh, Daddy,
No, guys, don't cut, guys, cut.
anak na lang.
Oh, sini.
Oh. Isa? Ha?
Nabigay na ba ni Brian yung sa inyo? Yung car key?
Wala pa.
Actually, binigay ko kaya niya kay Brian.
Wala pa naman.
Then,
What you want?
Blair?
What kind of help?
yung lalaki mo, no?
You change? What to change? What?
Matangkad?
For you want to go for swimming? No?
Naano sa iyo?
What?
Puti na car?
This is Jacob. This the brother of Matthew.
Oo, pati.
Puti na car? Ah, sige.
Kasi ayos na po kami.
Ah, sige. Sige, pangalan niyo? Russell. Nasi Russell diri. Yan na rin hatag sa akin. Ah? Wala. Kanang, wait lang Russell, kuan ko muna ha, i-confirm.